we do also need to have both genders in mind. So those robots need to be not just made by man for man, but made by mixed teams for mixed households.
It can feel really intimidating to walk in to a business for an interview and not find people that seem like your kind of people.
The automation industry is growing faster than the talent pipeline. Companies can't rely on that traditional recruiting method alone anymore.
Everybody brings a special skill set to the table. If we're not including all the stakeholders, we can't make improvements.
Women and men do work and think differently. They have a different leadership style. Bringing both sides in will make companies more successful in the future.
Can we explore beyond our circle that we're used to exploring for talent? It makes your business stronger when you are bringing in more perspectives.
We just need the people. We can't miss out 50% of it.
I did not grow up thinking I liked math or science. I was like an art school type of kid, the art club kind of kid, and never had seen a robot until I went to my first interview.
The industry really needs, marketing professionals, communicators, technicians, sales specialists, content creators, application experts.
I think there are other pathways that will be more and more needed in the future regarding technological backgrounds that are maybe on a less advanced educational side. So we need more vocational training.
Communication, trust, and culture are the three pillars.
It's always breaking my heart that we push children into these boxes and they just try to fit there. But there are boys that are not at all into technology. Let them do creative stuff and arts and whatever. And let girls not believe from the very beginning that technology is not made for them.
The strongest team leaders are the ones that can create that space for others to grow.
Inclusive leadership is so important because it brings the best out of us.
Innovation happens when diverse voices are part of the conversation.
It matters for the whole company's success. It is crucial to keep the business driving forward.
Without inclusive leadership, we don't get new ideas. We stay the same. We don't advance as the world advances.
The future of automation is not defined solely by robotics or AI or technology advances, right? It's defined by how effectively we bring people together